Freelancer.com and OnlineJobs.ph, the biggest names in remote hiring, face off, but which platform truly delivers for employers? On the left, Freelancer.com, the global marketplace for every gig. On the right, OnlineJobs.ph, the Filipino virtual staffing platform. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to what matters for your hiring needs. We'll break it down category by category, giving points as we go, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. Stick around, the winner might surprise you. Here's a quick mind map of what we're comparing: talent pool, fees, trust and security, job types and flexibility, user experience, and finally, support and community. So if you want the big picture or just care about one thing, say cost or platform vibes, you'll see it all here. Let's kick things off with the talent pool. So Freelancer.com, yeah, it's massive. We're talking over 70 million users worldwide. Pretty wild, right? You name the skill, someone's probably offering it on there. But, and this is important, not every freelancer is a rock star. Sometimes you gotta sift through and do some vetting, which honestly can take some time. Now, OnlineJobs.ph takes a different approach. It's all about Filipino remote workers. If you want reliability and someone who can stick around long-term, this platform is kinda legendary. But just know your talent options are pretty much limited to the Philippines. So it's a trade-off for sure. Subtly, Freelancer.com edges this one out for sheer variety. Fees, oh man, this one gets people fired up. Freelancer.com will let you post jobs for free, which is nice if you're just testing the waters or have smaller tasks. But then the platform fees kick in. You've got a 3% fee for clients, and freelancers, well, they get hit with 10% or more. Oh, and don't forget those little transaction charges. It adds up. OnlineJobs.ph goes for a really different model. There's a flat monthly fee for employers, anywhere between $69 to $349 per month. But get this. Once you pay that, you can hire as many workers as you want, and there's zero commission on the actual salaries. So you pay upfront, but there's no funny business later. If you hire even a couple of people, this absolutely wins on fair pricing. Alright, let's talk about trust and security. Freelancer.com is pretty solid here. Escrow payment protection is huge if you're nervous about paying for unfinished work. They've also got verified reviews, ratings, and they'll step in with mediation if things go sideways. That said, scams are still a risk, so don't totally zone out. OnlineJobs.ph is a bit more hands-off. They basically introduce you and then get out of the way. So you're dealing directly with the worker, which is cool for building trust, but there's no escrow, and if you have a dispute, it's on you to sort it all out. So for sheer peace of mind, Freelancer.com is the winner here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the Philippines is actually one of the world's top remote staffing countries? Over 2 million Filipinos are working online right now. Kind of mind-blowing how big the remote work scene is there. Next up, job types and flexibility. If you like to change things up or have lots of different projects cooking, you're gonna love Freelancer.com. They've got hourly gigs, fixed-price stuff, short-term contracts, contests, ongoing roles, literally everything. Super versatile. OnlineJobs.ph, it's much more focused. Think long-term, remote virtual assistants and staff. If you want someone permanent, this is almost perfect. But no luck if you need a quick micro task or a short one-off job. Freelancer.com clearly wins for flexibility. User experience, okay, so this is a funny one. Freelancer.com has all the bells and whistles, tons of features, mobile apps, and payment options galore. But honestly, the interface can feel super cluttered. Sometimes you need a map just to find the right button. It's powerful but not exactly beginner-friendly. OnlineJobs.ph, on the other hand, keeps things dead simple. You log in, post a job, hire directly, done, really clear and transparent. The only thing is you're missing some of those fancy extra features, so it's pretty much all about hiring and not much else. But for most people, this simplicity is a breath of fresh air, and OnlineJobs.ph takes this round. Finishing up with support and community. Freelancer.com offers 24/7 live chat support, which is pretty awesome if you run into problems late at night. Though sometimes you'll hear about delayed responses or confusing support. Meanwhile, OnlineJobs.ph provides recruiting guides and pretty responsive support for employers, but they're not immune to delays, especially when things get busy. It's kind of a tie, both helpful, both have their moments. Just to recap visually, here's a radar chart comparing key categories side by side. You'll see where Freelancer.com flexes its muscle like in variety and security, and where OnlineJobs.ph really shines, especially on price and ease of use. So what's the big takeaway? Freelancer.com is the go-to if you want maximum choice and flexibility, especially for project-based work or a quick turnaround. It's global, it's gigantic, you can hire almost anyone. OnlineJobs.ph is the better move if you want dedicated Filipino virtual assistants, reliable long-term team members, and low-commission, budget-friendly staffing. Really comes down to what you need most, doesn't it? If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.